just at the moment of removing the ceiling washer, I clear everything. Will and never, will and when, that come time to close as we close at. With a gray silicone that I can't show you because it's lacted, but turned out perfect. I ask you a question. The Instagram and TikTok video, and I ask you why an injector. The injector whose why I put a clamp right and left of a tune. Well, many of you don't get it right. It also often happen. Did I get called on the phone if I had to make a blooper video? Don't I did never punish friends, but will end the end of the year. I will laugh for you when losing Lu sending the tone not so that not on the injector pipe doesn't slide along the pipe. What we do it, put and clamp right behind the new tune so that if at any moment it want to slide, it will hit the clamp and don't be able to imagine that we don't put any clamp behind it. Note what would happen, the note would slide down wide and will you could ever five. What would happen is we had started looking all around there until we found it. What we might have loose an hour of work when we could have been doing other things. We do this and for when video smashing it's a very inexperienced tool and the we use for cable tile and cost just can and I save as a home amount of time already. Friend, having said all that, now we are heading to the workshop. I am going to show you how we brought some pen because I have heard to finish painting and column and I think already have a grade, but well, we will see it later at the shop. See you there already, friend. S and the morning, and now we going buy a bit of pen and a few little things that I need. If it's possible to record, I will record how we buy it and if people can appear tracking and explaining the pen when I will do it already when we will just see each other directly in the shop. There are so other options. Well, here we already at the place where I buy all stuff. So let's go in and first it's okay to record already, friend. I am going to buy a job bucket. I need and I'm going to use reed pen, although I think I already have a bucket, but I am going to get one because that's why I will already have one for the graphene later. Then I am going to get a new ruler as one here. I think it will work well because I will have full and the full clamp right and there and it's much longer. So with this we will have enough. Already have a reed ruler, so I won't need another one. I small brush as well for thing that the frame of the thing will everything so you can touch it up properly. You want to go ahead, a good like. Okay, there no okay. I am getting lost, guys. I am getting lost. I am spaced out, man, dude. So if you want to be allowed, look now, it's loud. They're watching right now. Go out password WhatsApp, but are one of the fan color to the hell I am going to use. That's right, dude. Already the one I love because there's a program right which I really like. The Mac at what with this machine there I don't know how, but they put a container and they're okay. It's not just a white can girl, it's a special base they put on special because in there right after it's in the brand it's the machine. So we select the color, the one, and it is as max of color. I don't now have to read as a bed of blue, yellow and green on something. Let's come to there. No, I come out there now. Let's stream on. I got it all right. What you are seeing right now as the time it's spruce like a trend, yellow and red time, and now there put the wheel and on the machines as a path like here. You can see and the part one spin already to its maximum and the fan well as the egg ready so used its heading move. It also want like it promise just so you know all friend. Now I am going to propose to buy honestly at script for record. I was able to record everything alright. Now we will see each other and the workshop. See you there. Well friends, we have already removed all the drawing wheel as they there wounded as into the wind, and now we will going to take it to the doom. The doom is like a space where all this stuff and two. Why I also took the opportunity to fill in a bit all the hole that you did with there, and I have found it absolutely as only has one got one god, not a wine glass. Absolutely, that's okay. Has one liar, but it need to to one got on a wine glass. Absolutely, it's only has one liar, but I need to more because I got three three there and they are so here. It's only has one and will we just wait for the ink dry. It's enough of today. Now I am going to do through all the Hawaii and to lunch. I am going to visit my grandmother whom I haven't seen in a while, and I am having lunch with her. So as a friend, we will see each other directly at home at my grandmother. Well, guys, here and the grandmother house, I have come to have lunch after a morning doing little activities my day. I never come to have lunch at my grandmother's home. Oh, but it's been a while since I have here, and I do. Well, I have lunch there and here place today. Today and here we have two plate of food, which is three delighted rice and also and pet and crackle chicken of rattle clutter proline of sovereign as get some nutrition because nutrition is very important in life. So stay healthy and full of energy. Without energy, you can't perform. If you can't perform, you get tired. If you get tired, you feel exhausted. If you exhausted, you get distracted, and if you distracted, you get a headache streak, and if you have stressed, I feel like the end of the world. That's how as a friend. So I want to stay happy, and yet I need to eat a good plate of rice. ASMR guys was madness. This is good of gaining weight. All this is crazy of gaining weight. Wow, God, well, madness. Alright, that's one define till you not. I am going to record as I am really hungry. So we'll see each other. We're back take off next. I think I am going to go to workshop.